today I'm going to share with you how to create freehand without color, freehand with color, 2D and 3D in SketchUp app. Let's get started to open the SketchUp app. Now, let's create first the freehand without color. All we need to do is to access the freehand tool and it in the getting started toolbar, click the drop down next to the line tool. Draw freehand curve, select the tool, the cursor changes to a pencil with a curve. Adjust curve details, reduce segments, hold cursor windows or command and press the key to simplify the curve. Edit freehand curve, select the move tool, drag the curve's endpoint to adjust its length or shape. Close shapes and the curve on a starting point to create a close shape to form the object that you want like fish. The freehand is a basic type of sketching. Next, we'll move to freehand with color. This is where things to start to get more form and expressive using the pen tools and SketchUp. We'll add color to our fish. We choose different shade for the body, fins, tail, and eyes to create a colorful freehand drawing. The 2D, once we have completed our freehand drawing, we'll start the 2D version of fish. This involves using straight lines and geometric shapes to create clean and precise illustration. 2D drawing requires more accuracy, so we'll make green lines and measurement tools to ensure everything is in proportion. Ensure that the details align with the overall design and make the 2D perspective. Next, let's create a 3D model of fish. This is where SketchUp really shine. We should use tools like push and pull. Follow me and our pet will turn our 2D drawing on the three-dimensional figure. This part may take a little practice, but it's a great way to understand how objects look and function in a real space.